Pop-ups can interrupt what you are doing, cover important content, and sometimes lead to unsafe websites. In this guide, I'll show you how to block pop-ups in Google Chrome and manage any websites that are allowed to show them. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu, then select Settings. On the Settings page, choose Privacy and Security from the menu on the left. Next, click Site Settings. This section controls website permissions, including notifications, camera access, downloads, and pop-ups. Scroll down until you find content, then select Pop-ups and Redirects. On this page, make sure the option labeled "Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects" is selected. This is Chrome's main pop-up blocking setting. If it already says blocked or recommended, Chrome is already set to stop most pop-ups automatically. You can leave that setting enabled. Now, check the allowed list below. Any website listed under "Allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects" can still open pop-ups in Chrome. To block a website again, click the three-dot menu next to its address and choose Remove. Chrome will stop allowing pop-ups from that site right away. If a website is not on the allowed list but still shows pop-ups, open that website in Chrome. Then click the icon to the left of the web address, usually the sliders or site information icon. Open Site Settings, find pop-ups and redirects, and change the permission to block. Then reload the page to apply the change. Some alerts that look like pop-ups are actually browser notifications. To control those, go back to Chrome Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and then Notifications. Choose Don't allow sites to send notifications, or remove websites you no longer want to hear from. This can make Chrome feel much less distracting, and that's how to block pop-ups in Chrome. Keep Chrome's pop-up blocker turned on, remove any sites from the allowed list that you do not trust, and review notification permissions if unwanted alerts keep appearing. You know, those few settings can make browsing much cleaner.